Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Clubhouse account. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. First, tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to your profile. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. But before moving forward, you have to remember that there are no direct options to delete your account on the app. But there are other ways you can delete your account. Now I'll just show you just that. Now tap on Contact Us and a new browser window will open. When the page loads, scroll down. And you have to look for the button here, Contact Us. Here you will see Contact Us button. Now tap on that. A new browser window will open. Here you have to enter your email address, your username which is your Clubhouse handle. Then select the topic My Account and Profile. Then type in a summary. You have to type in delete my account here. Then you have to type in how Clubhouse can help you out. And if you want to add any attachments, you can do that too. And then tap on submit. And Clubhouse team will contact you within a few days. And this is the only way to delete your Clubhouse account right now. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.